Hi guys, so in today's video I will be doing my daughter's hair. She's getting jumbo box braids. Are you excited? As you can see, she has a head full of hair. So we're gonna go ahead and get these box braids done for Easter. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting the rubber band method on there, which makes it easier for me. So let's get to it. Today I will be greasing her scalp with this Blue Magic hair food. It's really, really good. I got it from my beauty supply store for $3.49. It's a really good product. And then I'll be using this edge control as well. It's the purple one. Excuse the nails. I got this for $6.99. Okay, so as you can see, she has a head full of hair. Like, this hair is just a lot, but we're gonna break this down into some nice little cute box braids. Okay, so my son's playing his video game, so if you hear him in the background, please excuse him. He's super loud, and I've told him a million times, but we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Okay, so I start in the back. Okay, so as you can see, I am done. I got all the parts in here. All the parts. So now I will be applying the braids. This is the hair that I will be using. It's 52 inches. It's 100% Knotless. And I'm left-handed, so if I braid different than you normally see, it's just how I do. But it works for me and it lasts, so here we go.
Got your eyes, got you drippy on them private jets, making trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know this the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the pouring rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. option. Usual, rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a bedtime on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say.
Final look, guys. Ooh, let me see the back, girl. Long hair, don't care, honey. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.